Welcome to Fluize, Lesson 8, the last lesson of your basic module, Level 1. Big smile. You did it. Today, no new words. Today we put it all together. One day with Mia and Tom. You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, a quick review. Then, a little story. Listen again and again. Repeat out loud. Copy my voice, and at the end, the same story in the present and the past. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go! Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. A quick review of your Level 1 phrases. Feel how easy they are now. Say them with me, big and happy. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. This is my sister. Greetings in people. This is, that is, here and there. I have a dog. My family. How are you? I'm happy, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Your feelings. I like. I want. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Morning and night. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have a cake? It's delicious. Ordering food. You know all of these now. Amazing. Let's hear them in one little story. Chapter 2, the main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi! Welcome to Lesson 8, the last lesson of Level 1. Big smile, you did it! Today, no new words. Today we put it all together. It's morning. It's 7 o'clock. Mia wakes up. Good morning. Mia wants a coffee. I'd like a coffee, please. Mia sees Tom. Hi, Tom. How are you? Tom says, I'm good. A little tired, but happy. Then Tom points. Mia, this is my sister, Lucy. Mia smiles. Hi, Lucy. Nice to meet you. Lucy has a dog. I have a dog. His name is Max. It's 1 o'clock. Time for lunch at the cafe. Can I have a sandwich, please? I'd like a cake. It's delicious. Numbers, time, feelings, family, food. You know them all now. Listen again and again. You're flowing now. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Last one. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. It's morning. Mia wants a coffee. She goes to the cafe. She is so happy. Is it morning or night? Does Mia want a coffee or a tea? Is Mia happy or sad? Morning. Mia wants a coffee, and she is so happy. At the cafe, Mia sees Tom and his sister, Lucy. Hi, nice to meet you, Lucy. Who is with Tom, his sister, or his brother? What does Mia say to Lucy? His sister, Lucy. And Mia says, nice to meet you. Oh, a small problem. There's no coffee today. No coffee? Is there coffee today? Is there coffee or no coffee? No coffee today. None at all. But Mia smiles. I'd like 2 cakes, please. One for me, one for Lucy. Mia loves to share. What does Mia order? 2 cakes or 2 teas? Is Mia kind or unkind? 2 cakes, one for each. Mia is very kind. They eat the cake. It's delicious. Now they are all friends. What a nice day. Hooray! Is the cake delicious? Are they friends now? Yes, it's delicious. And they're all friends now. A nice day. Hooray! That's the end. And the end of Level 1. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Deep learning. Last chapter. The same story, in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Mia goes to the cafe. She meets Tom and Lucy. They eat cake. They are friends. Yesterday, Mia went to the cafe. She met Lucy. They ate cake. It was a nice day. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.